Howdy, my name is Max. This is No Code Nerd, and we're talking about Videoask today. Videoask is really cool. I'm really excited to see businesses start using this in a creative way. It's built by Typeform, and I love Typeform. I use Typeform pretty regularly. It's a nice, simple form tool. But you can build flows of video. Have people send back videos and it automatically listens to what they said. The way they advertise it is one-to-one conversations at scale, right? So you record questions, answers, share with an easy link, use conditional logic. It's like a forum, but with videos, right? Like you answer questions with videos. It's fascinating to me. This is fascinating to me. I can see, let's say you have e-commerce, right? Let's say you have an e-commerce shop, and you need to keep your e-commerce shop highly, highly, highly personalized. Maybe a lot of the stuff that you sell is highly personalized, or maybe you sell a service online that's highly personalized. You can make this via Videoask, you can make a really personal, interactive, custom, human-to-human kind of experience without hopping on video calls every 2 seconds. So I think it's very interesting. I'm fascinated with this. And it's free to use, so why wouldn't you just test it, right? I don't know. Let me know if you have any questions on this. I would be happy to answer theories and ideas and clever ways to use this in cool industries. But yeah, cool stuff. I'll see you in the next episode with another dope tool. Peace out.